Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video, y'all. And in today's video, I am going to be doing a simple get ready with me natural look. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going in with my Great Lash. Y'all won't hear me talk that much because yeah, I'm trying to get ready. I'll have everything listed down below in the description because you know I love y'all. That's why. All right. Going in first, I have my Black Girl sunscreen. I decided to support this black company. Usually, y'all know I use my Mary Kay, but this is the Sugar Honey Iced Tea, okay? So I got this from Target. I think it's like $17. A little expensive, but Mary Kay is expensive too. But I was like, you know what? It's infused with jojoba oil and avocado oil. Speaking my language, okay? So I'm gonna go in with some of that first. I put this on my body when I'm outside, and I also put it on my face. It's face and body, just FYI. Y'all know I'm going with my handy dandy vitamin E, a little drop. One drop is good. Y'all can see that little grease on my little face. All right, first things first, I'm going in with my milk. Okay, y'all, so I let my milk primer sit on for a minute like it says. I'm shaking up my foundation and I'm gonna put a few drops on the back of my palm and then I'm gonna rub it in. My brush is a little damp because I washed my brushes this morning. So maybe that's kind of helping it melt into my skin more. But like I said, I'm going for more of a natural look. That's why I was trying to buy that Rihanna's blurring foundation, but that thing sold out in every like shade that was close to mine. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go back and use my NARS. I'm not even stressing over it. I'm going in with my sponge. It is a little damp as well. Like I said, I washed everything this morning. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal. This is in the color 405, and y'all know I like my little under the eye glow. And I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm going back in with my lash gel. And this just really just holds my brows together, y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, they be tight. Inflammation for real. And I'm gonna just put a little concealer. I am using the color, same one, 405. Okay, so now that that's done, I am gonna go with a little foundation on my top and also the bottom. And when I put the foundation at the bottom, I'm not going like directly under it. I'm going a little under that concealer. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna focus on my eyes right now. And I'm going in with the foam. No, I'm gonna go in with the espresso, the foam, and the baby chino. Y'all know I got this palette from TJ Maxx. Espresso is a little dark, so I'm just like using that as the base. And I'm putting it all around my lid. Ooh, I love this by itself, but I need a little more. So I'm going in with the foam, which is that nude color. And I'm just gonna apply that on top and kind of like in the corner area to kind of soften this down. Like I said, this is just to soften that espresso color I put on. And it's also softening the concealer that I had over there. I am now gonna go in with my Caution Hourglass mascara. Okay, I'm going in with my Revolution. Gonna go in with some of my NYX, NYX, whatever y'all wanna call it. This is just my matte finish spray. All right, I'm about to go in with the Baby Chino and just soften up my face a little more. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the foundation up here. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna line my lips. And I'm just gonna use a little Fenty. It smells so good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some little baby lashes. Yeah, I'm going back in that palette. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of glitter. It's called Drip. Just gonna put a little bit of that right here. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me tutorial. This is something that I wear like just out for lunch or to the mall or to a meeting, a birthday party, when I'm just trying to do a simple get me together, okay? This is quick. I mean, you do this look in under 20 minutes. You don't have to always do the eyeshadow. You can just throw some bronzer on your eyes, like, and be done. But I will have everything down below listed so that you guys know what I used. As always, y'all, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thank you so much for all the continuous love and support. Like, y'all don't know, y'all a real one. All right, I just had to let y'all know y'all the real ones, okay? But like always, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.